So for my screencasting assignment, I've decided to talk about activity-based costing, which is a new method that differentiates itself from the traditional approach of simply allocating costs on the basis of machine hours by assigning manufacturing overhead costs of production on the real causes of the overhead. This concept of accounting is best understood if I walk you through the various steps. This first step includes specifying costs the business wants to allocate. This is the most critical step in the entire process, since companies do not want to waste their time with excessively broad project scopes. An example would be a company that wants to determine its costs for establishing a distribution channel. It will identify advertising and warehousing costs related to that channel rather than focusing on research costs, since they are related to the products, not the channels. The second step includes creating cost pools, both primary and secondary. Primary cost pools consider the costs that are more aligned with the production of the goods and service, while secondary cost pools are created for costs incurred to provide services to other parts of the company rather than supporting a company's products or services directly. These costs are later allocated to other pools that are respectively matching with their product and servicing components. The next step includes charging costs to cost subjects by using an activity driver to allocate the contents of each primary cost pool to the cost objects. Companies divide the total cost in each pool by the amount of activity in the activity driver in order to establish the cost per unit of activity. With all this information, formulating reports is crucial for companies as they convert the results of the ABC, also known as the activity-based costing system, into reports for management consumption. An example would be if the system was designed to accumulate overhead information by geographical scales, then the revenue earned in each region and the overhead derived from the ABC system would be reported. In this specific example, it would give management a full cost view of results generated by each region. Here I'll be showing you a simple example of activity-based costing in action. Let's say here is a burger stand that sells lemonade and burgers. In 1 week, 100 burgers and 100 lemonades were sold, and a bill of $200 for electricity came in. How do we divide the bill between the burgers and lemonade? In this case, we should note down that the burger uses more kilowatts to make than lemonade, making us price our burgers more expensive than our lemonade. However, electricity bills aren't the only areas of costs in making a burger. We need to do this for the same other areas such as salaries in order to finally establish prices for our products.